हेलो गाइस, कैसे आप सब। सो लेट्स वी स्टार्ट टुडे करंट अफेयर्स। Government named Anish Dayal Singh as Director General of the CRPF, Rahul Raskotra as the Director General of ITBP, and the Neena Singh, the first woman to lead the CISF, as the directors of the three central paramilitary organizations. Newly elected President of Argentina, Javier Milei, in a letter sent to the leaders of the BRICS countries, said that he does not consider it appropriate for his country to become a member of this bloc. BRICS is the acronym of the Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa. BRICS 2023 summit was hosted by the South Africa, and BRICS 2024 summit will host by Russia. Indian Navy unveils new design of admirals epaulettes inspired by the Raj Mudra of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj and naval ensign. Design include golden navy button, octagon representing 8 cardinal directions, sword emphasizing Navy's raison d'etre, and telescope symbolizing long-term vision. Defense Secretary Girdhar Ramne has inaugurated a new design and test facility at Halls Aero Engine Research and Development Center in Bangalore, Karnataka. According to Finance Ministry circular, the deposit under the Sukanya Samriddhi scheme would attract an interest rate of 8.2% from the existing 8%. Here is a list of interest rate and the two changes in which the first is Sukanya Samriddhi account. The interest rate is 8.2% and 3-year time deposit in which interest rate is 7.1%. Department of Empowerment of Persons with Disabilities, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Government of India, through National Divyangjan Finance and Development Corporation and Apex Corporation under the Department of Empowerment of Persons with Disability, is organizing a unique event showcasing the products and craftsmanship of Divyang entrepreneurs and artisans from across the country. Divya Kala Mela from 29 December 2023 to 7 January 2024 in Surat, Gujarat. Noted Bengali writer Shirshendu Mukhopadhyay received Kovempu Rashtriya Puruskar instituted by Rashtriya Kovempu Trust. The Indian Space Research Organisation, following a landmark 2023, will ring in the new year with the launch of the PSLV C58 X-ray polarimeter satellite XPOSat mission on January 1, 2024. SpaceX Falcon Heavy rocket blasted back into space on Thursday night to ferry the US military's secretive X-37B drone to research mission. The rocket launched from NASA Kennedy Space Center in Florida, and SpaceX cited the Pentagon's mission code name is USSF-52 in its statement on the launch. Reliance Jio Infocomm, an Indian telecom operator in India, is set to launch a groundbreaking initiative in collaboration with the Indian Institute of Technology, Bombay, the Bharat GPT program. Santosh Jha takes charge as India's High Commissioner to Sri Lanka, succeeding Gopal Bagle. The Nandargarh Zoological Park will receive 2 male chimpanzees and 1 male and 1 female cheetah from Dubai Safari Park. The Navin Patnaik government has expanded the scope of Viju Swasthya Kalyan Yojana. The Reserve Bank of India has extended the timeline for the implementation of fair lending practice by banks on penal charges in loan account by 3 months. The core sector output to a 6-month low of 7.8% in November compared to 12% in October, according to government data. LIC reduces shareholding in BAIL to 9.6%. Here we launch a series for improving the vocab for competitive exam, in which we cover all the previous year idioms, words and phrasal verbs. Please join us. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.